Hello, welcome to another 2-minute topics on your YouTube channel, Tech Talk with Niket. In this video, we're going to look at what is data visualization. We looked at the importance of data and relevance of understanding it in our business intelligence video. Data visualization helps us in achieving it. Let's understand this with an example. Imagine you have a database with a lot of tables. To solve the business problem, you will have to use one or more such tables. So to start with your analysis, all you have is a lot of rows and columns. But what if you convert these rows and columns into charts, the numbers into bars? That is where data visualization comes into picture. Data visualization is the graphical representation of information for analysis and communication. One can use visual elements like charts, maps, graphs, etc. to observe and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in the data. Data visualization helps in visual analysis, discovery, and self-exploration of the data. If I give you this table and ask you, do you observe any trend or pattern here? You might take some time. But if I show you the same data in form of a line chart, then intuitive, isn't it? Data visualization provides much higher degree of data interactivity. You can use filters, you can compare, correlate, and can perform what-if analysis to discover new insights. Lastly, you can share the visuals in different forms through different mediums. There are a lot of data visualization tools available in the market, and data visualization as a skill is also in demand. So, to sum it up, data visualization is the graphical representation of information for analysis and communication. That's it in this 2 minutes topic. I hope you like it. Please do share and subscribe. Till then, stay safe and happy learning.